Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a fake virus. So the first thing you want to do is right click your desktop, hit new, and hit text document, wherever that may be. And so you see you have your text document here, right? Double click it to open it, and hit the file button. Then hit save as, and then make sure desktop is selected. Depending on what operating system you have, it'll be a different process to select desktop. Most of the time, it will be automatically selected. Now, here, where it says text document, change that to all files. And now name it virus, and then add a .vbs, and hit enter. And now you see you have an extra icon on your home screen. This should be it right here. Right click it, hit edit, and I'm going to show you a cool thing. If you want to make a message box, type MSG box, left parenthesis, quote, and then in that quote, type what you want to say. For example, this is what I want to say. And then put another quote and right parenthesis, and save it. And then test it. You can see how it opens a message box that literally says, this is what I want to say. Now, what you want to do is, you can also do input boxes. So, you can assign variables. A variable is what the input box returns, what the user types in the input box. So, I'm going to say, example equals input box. Sorry about my typing today. I'm using a borrowed keyboard today. And now, in parentheses, put what you want the input box message to say. For example, enter your name here. And now it'll return what this person types under example. So now you can put a message box and say message box, hello there, plus example. And now if we test that, that'll help you by fake virus making. So here you go. This is what I want to say. I need to type in Alex. Hello there, Alex. That worked like a charm. So what you can do is you can say, enter your name here to avoid screwing over your computer. And then you can type, yeah, this is why this keyboard's annoying. Anyways, you can type, it's too late, plus example. So now you can write, this is what I want to say. I'm going to replace this is what I want to say with what I want to say, obviously. So, Alex. And then it's like, it's too late, Alex. And you hit OK, and it starts to go insane. So, you see, this is just a very easy example. I'll go over it in more detail in a second. So, basically, these are the codes you want to use. So, I'm going to type, this is basically the code you want to use for a message box, and then type what you want to say between the parentheses. And then input box where you have a variable. So I'm just going to type in variable, replace that with whatever. So for example, in this example, I'll do plus variable after message box. So I'm just going to say variable equals input box. And then your message to display. That's not the message that's going to be assigned to the variable. And now, for example, you can test your variable by doing this is your variable, and then you do plus variable, or plus whatever you changed variable to. So that's pretty much your code right there. I hope this helped everyone, and ALROCI Studios out.